Morning, family. Ham's Law. Assalamu alaikum. Morning, fly. I did flag them up, but I flagged them up after they already had flew. Got the bulk of the flock together. It's about six something in the morning, 6:30. I do have about 5 or 6 stragglers. Today is Thursday. I'm giving half rations today, and they will go on their first toss. My game plan is for tomorrow. I don't think they're really ready, but hey, I can't stop progress. You either gonna get with the program or you gotta go. All right. Comment, subscribe. What you think? Do what you do. Peace.